Hello, 7th graders. Today is a review and practice day. You'll be reviewing and practicing all your argument vocabulary that you see right here, okay, and applying it to this lesson. Let's take a look, first of all, at our vocabulary we've been working on for a few weeks now. An argument is a statement for or against something, and with every argument you always have a claim. What is your side of the argument? What do you believe to be true, the yes side or the no side? With that claim, we would recognize the counterclaim in our argument, what the opposing side believes to be true, and then right after it, we'd squash it with a rebuttal, bringing everybody's beliefs back to the central claim. Now, we also talked about how a strong argument needs relevant evidence, sufficient evidence, which is enough evidence, and sound reasoning, which means all of the facts and reasons to support the claim make sense and are logical. So today, the argument that you're going to be reading about is, are athletes overpaid? You might already have an opinion about this argument, but I do want you to read the two sides to decide on your claim. Either yes, athletes are overpaid, or no, athletes are not overpaid. You'll be reading two sides of the article. The yes side is called athletes make a lot of money and it's not okay. Athletes are overpaid. This one's written by Jesse Edelman. Okay, you're going to read that, and then you're going to read the no side of the argument. No, athletes are not overpaid. You can't put a price on talent. Professional athletes are some of the most impressive humans on the planet. This one's written by Mackenzie. Okay, so we have two sides to the argument. After you've read the articles, you're going to fill in the blanks in this table. Some of them are already done for you to help. So we're going to think of our argument here, are athletes overpaid? And thinking of Jesse's side, the yes side, find a line that expresses Jesse's central claim. You're going to copy and paste it in here. The no side, Mackenzie's, is already done for you. Athletes deserve their high salaries. That's Mackenzie's claim for the no side. They're not overpaid. Okay, they deserve what they get. Two pieces of evidence that support this claim. So you're going to go up to Jesse's side right up here, which is the yes side, and you're going to find and highlight, copy and paste two pieces of evidence that support Jesse's claim that yes, athletes are overpaid. Okay, copy and paste. Put your quotation marks around them, don't forget. And then do the same over here, two pieces of evidence. You can number them if you want or put bullets or whatever. For the no side, two pieces of evidence that support athletes deserve their high salaries. Okay, then the counter argument to Jesse's claim is already done for you. This is where Jesse recognized the other side. It's true that the careers of athletes are short, which means they have a smaller window of time to earn money. Okay, so now you have to find the no side's counter argument. So remember, Mackenzie believes athletes deserve their high salaries. So where does Mackenzie recognize the other side of the argument? If you look in the article right after your counter argument, the next sentence will be the rebuttal. This one's done for you. You're going to want to find it and look at it up there. And you need to find Mackenzie's counter argument and Mackenzie's rebuttal and fill it in here. Again, copy and paste and put quotation marks. You don't have to do the page numbers like you see here, obviously. It's not from the article. Okay, and then we're going to be thinking, okay, let's think about this table you just filled in. Which side do you believe to be true? The yes side? Athletes are overpaid, or the no side, Mackenzie's side, athletes deserve the money that they get. And here's where step 4 comes in, analyze the argument. So are you going to go with this one, the yes side, or are you going to go with the no side? Decide on which one you think is stronger based on the evidence that you read. Okay, which one has better evidence, more evidence, which is sufficient, which one makes more sense and is logical, sound reasoning. Okay. Highlight the one you believe to be true, to the one that you believe to be the stronger one. And then we've done this before. You're filling in the blanks in the paragraph. Jesse has a stronger argument than Mackenzie, or Mackenzie has a stronger argument than Jesse. Their evidence is relevant because it One of the facts is that, so you look in the article and copy and paste one of the facts. Their evidence is sufficient because, okay, what does sufficient mean? Let's go see. Aha. All right, sufficient means that it has enough evidence to prove the claim. Use the definition to help you answer and fill in the blanks down here, okay? Their evidence is sufficient because Jesse has several reasons to support the claim of blah, blah, blah. Okay, and give an example right here. Their reasoning is sound because, think of what sound means, go back up and find out. Okay, sound means that the reasoning makes sense and is logical. Okay, so give an example of that. Give an example of, I'm getting back down here, hold on. Their reasoning is sound because it makes sense, is logical. As you can see, Jesse's or Mackenzie's argument is stronger, okay? So you're filling in the paragraph. All right, so once again, you are reading the two sides of the argument of our athletes overpaid. Jesse's side, yes, they are overpaid. Mackenzie's side, no, they are not overpaid. You're going to fill in the table, copy and paste what you need to. Read and look at the examples that are already done for you to help you, okay? Highlight which argument you believe to be stronger, Jesse's or Mackenzie's, and then base your answers in here on what you highlighted. If it's Jesse's, then you're putting Jesse has a stronger argument than Mackenzie, blah, 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 and base it all on Jesse's argument, whatever you fill in. Okay, and that is it. I'd like you to work on one of these Quizlets. Decide on which one you want to work on for a little bit. Thank you so much for listening to the screencast. I've looked at all of your work you've been doing, and listening to the overview of the lesson really does help you. So thank you for doing that. And I will talk to you tomorrow.